An anti-sanction demonstration organized by ZANU-PF sympathizers over the weekend in New York City turned out to be a complete failure despite optimistic claims from government officials. Sanapenda mashokoti aiwa this anti-sanction demonstration ichiflopa aiwa mu New York rodi wa subscribe like turn the bell like timna nomwe kwa mchinzi. The event, which aimed to rally support for the removal of sanctions imposed on Zimbabwe, coincided with the United Nations General Assembly (UNGA) sessions. However, eyewitness accounts and media reports suggest that attendance was far lower than anticipated, undermining the narrative of success promoted by officials. Government spokesperson Nick Mangwana touted the demonstration as impactful, stating that yesterday there was a successful demonstration in New York City on the sidelines of UNGA as African diaspora called the removal of illegal sanctions imposed on Zimbabwe. Observers noted that many Zimbabweans abroad are more focused on issues affecting their daily lives rather than engaging in political demonstrations that seems disconnected from their realities at home. Critics has also questioned the effectiveness of such demonstrations, suggesting that they do little to change the broader political landscape in Zimbabwe. These events often come off a hollow, commented a local activist. Domashkarukura pana pationa kuti aiwa this demonstration yakapulaniwa yakarongwa nevanhu veZANU-PF kuNew York inoflopa tichiona kuti aiwa vanhu low attendance yanga iripo nekwana nekwankwana vakanoposta zvavo vachiti aiwa this demonstration was successful. Toona kuti aiwa nemagovernment officials the New York City angotopindira ndokuti vaitoshati vavanhu vauzama kuda kuita sei patoona kuti aiwa vanouya vachidemonstrata vatiri kuona kuti kuri kuitiwa the UN summit. Why is it varege kuenda kuUnited Nations aiwa vakanodemonstratira ikoko zvakuda kupinda the New York City vachiita zvavakaita. Vodza mavhungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi pena comment section medu. Subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.